Hello everyone, today I wanted to bring you this short video which is showing you the new Atom OS 10.72 from Atomos for the Ninja 5 and 5 Plus. This update brings some new remote control features for people using the Atom X Sync module, but one of the best things for me is it finally gives us some control over the fan speed and allows us to limit the noise that the Ninja 5 makes. To get the update, you just go to the Ninja 5 support page and download it from there. Once downloaded, you extract the firmware file from the zip it's contained in. Then you connect a freshly formatted drive from the Ninja and copy the firmware file onto it. Once that's complete, eject the drive from the computer and connect it back to the Ninja. Then when you power up the Ninja, the firmware will start installing automatically. The update takes around a minute and then the Ninja will shut down. After that, just power up the Ninja again and the new firmware will be installed. The new fan controls can be found in the power section and consist of a cooling mode which has 3 options: low, medium and auto. Then there's a turbo cool switch which lets the Ninja speed up the fan to cool down quickly whilst not recording, and a dim display switch which dims the display when you start recording. The Ninja will default to using auto cooling mode. This is the way it's worked in previous firmware versions. The Ninja is still running fairly quietly at the moment on auto, which may be because I have the backlight turned all the way down. I'll set that back up to full brightness and drop the ND on my FS5 to compensate. I've let it run for a few minutes now and it's still staying fairly quiet with a low speed fan. If I try the turbo cool switch at this stage, it doesn't do anything because the Ninja doesn't need to cool down anymore. So next I'll try changing the cooling mode to medium and start recording again. That's definitely kicked up the fan speed. Now let's try setting the cooling mode to low. So as you can hear, that's a lot quieter. The Ninja's been recording for a couple of minutes now, so I'll stop it and enable the turbo cool and see if it has an effect now.
I'd like to welcome you on board at flight 797 this morning on into Los Angeles.
Yeah, I think that's working. Let's try the dim display switch. So yeah, as you can see, that dims the display very slightly during recording and then puts the brightness back up when you stop. So let's give it a bit of a stress test. I'll set the Ninja to record ProRes RAW HQ and also set the camera so that it's sending 50p, which will make the Ninja work a little harder. Let's set it back to auto and see how quickly it heats up. It's been running for about 5 minutes now and the fan has just started to pick up. So now I'll change the cooling mode to low and carry on recording till the battery runs out and see if it overheats or switches off. The Ninja's been recording for about 30 minutes now, so I'll stop it before the battery fully drains. Wow, I think it needed to cool down. I'll end this video by saying happy holidays to you all. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I hope you all stay safe, have a fab break, and I'll see you in 2022.